Don't let a poorly configured Nintendo Switch hold you back. We're diving straight into getting your essential apps set up perfectly for maximum performance. This guide will show you exactly what to do after the initial setup to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, we need to verify your internet connection is solid, as this is crucial for downloads and online play. So head into System Settings, then Internet, and run a connection test to confirm stable speeds, which is vital for efficient game downloads. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2, optimizing your system updates. Ensure automatic updates are enabled but set them to download when you're not actively playing to avoid interruptions. Next, we tackle parental controls, which are essential for managing your gaming experience. Link your Nintendo account, set playtime limits, and restrict purchases to keep everything in check. Finally, we cover save data backups. Go to Data Management, enable the Save Data Cloud, and select your games to ensure your progress is always safe, preventing any lost hours of gameplay.